Noy Pride LTD.
I got the inspiration after watching MTB Alan on how to mount a GoPro on your full face helmet with no zip ties and by using Sugru. I bought Sugru at Amazon and it comes in different colors. I cut the tripod adapter to fit the size where you attach to the helmet. It's easy to use and apply, just make sure to follow the instructions. I use 2 packets of Sugru and make sure to mold it and smooth it out and let it dry.
The next day.
Here's the finished product after 2 days. Wondering if the GoPro will hit in the chest when you look down? Here, I demonstrated with my helmet on and looking down. In my experience, it didn't bother me at all. Besides, when we're riding, we're in attack or neutral position. Here's my test ride. Thanks for watching.